Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams. In this video today, we will discuss some error detection questions on active and passive voice. Now, I conduct free live sessions regularly on Unacademy, so please follow my profile on Unacademy. The link to my profile has been pinned in the comment box. Go to the link and follow my profile. The links to the Telegram channel and Telegram group has been given in the description box. So please join the Telegram channel and the group to get notified for all the free sessions that I take on Unacademy and on YouTube. So let's start. Starting from 31st of March, many new batches are getting launched on Unacademy Plus. So let's look at the batches. So there are best educators on Plus, as you can see the names. The first is a batch for SBI Clerk 2021. This batch is for CET 2021 and this also starts from 31st of March. Now here we have three batches. The first one for SBI PO 2021, second for IBPS PO 2021 and the third batch is a foundation batch for all SBI exams. There are many advantages of subscribing to Unacademy Plus. First is you'll get full coverage of the entire syllabus. The second is there are top educators on Plus. And you'll get PDF material for your every session. Like after every session you get PDF material for revision, and then you get dedicated doubt solving sessions, and also recorded sessions are available for all the live classes. Okay, then there are free quizzes and mock tests with every session. Every Sunday, Unacademy conducts a scholarship test, which is Bank Exam Combat. Now, this scholarship test gives you an opportunity to win up to 1 crore rupees, and also you'll get free Plus subscription. So, use the coupon code ANNIE to enroll in the scholarship test. So, if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, use coupon code ANNIE for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. Now, you can use this coupon code ANNIE for all the categories available like bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CAT, JEE. For any category, you can use this coupon code ANNIE. Also, there is a combo pack SSC plus bank. So, if you want to prepare for both these exams together, you should take the combo pack. Okay. So, before solving the questions, let's learn the concept a little bit. Okay. Active and passive voice. At first, let's see when do we use passive voice, or when do we say that a sentence is in passive voice. Now, in passive voice, there are two types of constructions. Okay, in the first one, the doer of the activity or the doer of the verb is given after by. So, by plus doer. And the second one is the doer is missing. Okay, the doer is not given. So, let's see. Look at the first sentence. The first sentence says, the wall has been painted by my brother. Now here, what is the activity? What is the work? What is the verb? The verb is painted. Okay. And who is the doer of the verb? Brother. But this doer is present after by plus doer. So the sentence is in passive voice. Okay. Next sentence, look at this one. The wall has been painted. The wall has been painted. So here what is happening? Here the doer is missing. Okay, we do not know who painted the wall, but the wall has been painted. So here the doer is absent. So this is also a passive voice sentence. Okay. When the doer acts as a subject, when the doer acts as the subject of the sentence, or it is in the very beginning of the sentence, it is called active voice. The construction of active voice or the structure of active voice looks like this: doer or the subject plus verb plus object. But in passive voice, the object comes in the front. Okay. Let's understand it by some examples. Somebody stole my car last week. So what is the verb here? The verb is stole. Who stole it? Somebody. So this is the doer and it is present in the very beginning of the sentence. So this is in active voice. This sentence is in active voice. The second one, last week my car was stolen by somebody. So by plus doer. So the sentence is in passive voice. The CBI will investigate the murder. So what is the activity here? Investigate. And who will do it? CBI. So the doer is present in the beginning of the sentence. It acts as a subject. So this is in active voice. We import oil from Iran. So import is the verb and who imports? We. So we is the doer and it acts as the subject. So this is in active voice. Oil is imported from Iran by US. So by plus doer now. By plus doer. So this is passive voice. Neha can speak English. Who can speak? Neha. So this is the doer here. Doer is present as subject. So this is in active voice. English can be spoken by Neha. So by plus doer. So this is passive voice. Understood? Now let's go to continuous tense. If the sentence is in continuous tense, how will you change an active voice to passive voice? Let's see. The police along with the CBI are investigating the case. So investigating, so the sentence is in continuous tense because here we have ing. So when you change this sentence into passive voice, what will happen? Okay, now the police along with the CBI are investigating what? Investigating the case. So this is your object. The object will go in the beginning of the sentence. So the case. The case is singular, so you will use singular verb is. Now because you have continuous tense here, you have to use being. B-E-I-N-G, being. Is being investigated plus V3. So verb plus being, that is helping verb is plus being plus V3 by the police along with the CBI. The captain and not his crew was taking the ship to safe water. Okay, now here again we have continuous tense. So the captain and not his crew was taking what? The ship. This is your object. The object will come in the beginning. The ship. The object comes in the beginning. Was being taken. So here we have to use being because the sentence, the active voice was in continuous tense. Was being taken to safe water by the captain and not his crew. When we have perfect tense, what happens? We have decided to open a new branch. So it has been decided to open a new branch. So in that case you have to use has or have or had plus been plus V3. He will have completed the work in time. The work will have been completed in time. So here will plus have, because this is in future, so you have to use will plus have plus been plus V3. Okay. These verbs bid, help and make, in active voice they take bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means what? To will not be present, only V1. But in passive voice these verbs take infinitive, that is to plus V1. The teacher made him narrate a story. Okay, the teacher made him narrate a story. So who made him? The teacher. So this is your doer. The doer is present in the beginning. So this is an active voice sentence. So here you are using make, that is made. So bare infinitive has been used, that is only V1. Now let's change this to passive voice. He was made to narrate a story. So here you'll use to plus V1 because this sentence is in passive voice, by plus doer. You must help me cook the dinner. So here who must help? You. So the doer is present in the beginning, right? So here you will use only V1, that is bare infinitive. Okay, because here the verb is help. So this rule is applicable for bid, help and make. Okay, I must be helped to cook the dinner. Now who will receive the help? Me. Now this object is coming in the beginning. I must be helped to cook. So that's why infinitive will be used here. Okay. If be verb is used as a main verb, the sentence cannot be changed into passive. I am happy. So here the be verb acts as the main verb. So you cannot change this into passive voice. Okay, now we will solve some questions on error detection from this concept. Okay. Now the first question is, the officers who were on inspection in this factory were discovered many discrepancies. So officers discovered, right? Officers discovered. So officers are the doer. So this is your doer and it acts as the subject of the sentence. So this sentence is in active voice. Okay, this sentence is in active voice. So the officers who were on inspection in this factory were discovered will be wrong. Simply discovered many discrepancies. Okay, because in passive voice we use was or were or is or are plus V3. Okay, so here simply we have to use V2, that is the officers who were on inspection in this factory discovered many discrepancies, because this sentence is in active voice. Next, the truck driver was accused the lady of walking in the middle of the road. Okay, so who accused? The truck driver accused. Whom did he accuse? The lady. So this is your object and this is your subject, and the subject is the doer of the verb which is accused. Okay, so here was accused is wrong. Simply accused. The truck driver accused the lady of walking in the middle of the road. Next, right to protest peacefully is being demanded by the revolutionaries. Okay, so it is being demanded by the, so by plus doer, by plus doer. Who is demanding? The revolutionary. So the sentence is in passive voice. Okay, so if you want to use been can be used with has, have or had. Okay, understood. But here we are saying that they are still demanding. Here we are saying that they are still demanding. Okay, this is what we want to mean. So this is in continuous tense, and in continuous tense you should use being and not been. So right to protest peacefully is being demanded by the revolutionaries. Next, so the rule is object plus is, am or are in present continuous plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, next, the matter had looked into by the committee partially before it found him guilty. So who looked into the matter? The committee. So by plus doer. So the sentence is in passive voice. The sentence is in passive voice. So here had looked. So if you want to use past perfect, then the construction should be had plus been plus V3. Okay, so the matter had been looked into by the committee, or the matter was looked into by the committee. Okay, was plus V3. Okay, otherwise had plus been plus V3. So you can also, here you can also use this. The matter had been looked into. Okay. Next, you are requested to complete the task by the end of the day. So someone else is requesting you. Someone else is requesting you. Now who is requesting you? This is the verb. Who is requesting you? That is not given. So here the doer is missing. So this means the sentence is in passive voice. So what do you need to do here? After are, you have to use V3. So instead of request, requested should be used. V3. Okay. Requested to complete the task by the end of the day. Next. So what is the rule? The rule is object plus is, am or are plus V3 plus by plus subject. Next, I was given a book by my teacher to be read. Okay, to be read. Now here what do you need to do? I was given a book by my teacher. Now here already was plus V3 is there. So this activity of giving is done by the teacher, by my teacher. So this is in passive voice, and that's why was plus V3 has been used. But here to be read is incorrect. Simply to read. Okay, I was given a book by my teacher to read. Next, had the police not reached the place on time, the traders would have robbed. Now the traders would have robbed means what? The traders are the robbers. The traders are the robbers, but that is not the case. The traders are not the robbers. The robbers would have robbed the traders, right? So the robbers are the doer. Robbers are the doer of this activity robbed. And the doer is missing. So this sentence is in passive voice. So had the police not reached the place on time, the traders would have been robbed. Okay. Mother's milk cannot substituted by any formula milk. So here substitution is the verb and the doer is formula milk. This is the doer. So the sentence is in passive voice. So what will you use here? Cannot be substituted. So remember this, can plus be plus V3 when the sentence is in passive voice. Can plus be plus V3. So here cannot be substituted. Next, an awareness is being created among the people by the government about the importance of tree. So this awareing people are creating this awareness is going on. It is a continuous tense, right? It is a continuous tense. So here instead of being should be used. And awareness is being created. Okay, is plus being plus V3.